Garden wedding man yan or civil wedding yan, in the eyes of the law, it's legal. Kasi marami yung worries kasi lalo na yung overseas couples natin na ma'am baka paglabas namin hindi ma-recognize yung marriage certificate namin, di pala yun legal kasi hindi naman kami nagpakasal sa church. That's a very big misconception. Yung mga officiants natin, whether pastor, whether reverend, these are all legal. They're authorized to conduct wedding ceremonies. Ang kaibahan lang, ang ibig lang sabihin, pag ang couple talaga is devout Catholic. Alam mo, parents, hindi papayag yung parents pag hindi simbahan. Marami niyang ganyan because we're a Catholic nation. So, yun yung mga couples na sa Katoliko talaga magpakasal sa talaga simbahan. Hindi kasi pwede yung Catholic priest na magkasal sa garden. They're not allowed. It's not allowed by the church. So, pag Catholic talaga, lalo na parents mo conservative, yung difference lang is sa church, acknowledge siya talaga ng Catholic Church. But all the same, whether garden and all that, in the eyes of the law, that is legal.